Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix audio or sound issues in Blue Protocol Star Resonance game. So here follow the solutions. The first solution is to, on your PC, click on Windows icon and then click on Settings icon. Then click on System, Sound, Advanced. Then click on More Sound Settings. Click your default device, for example speakers, and then click on Properties. Go to Spatial Sound tab, click the drop down box and select off. Then click on apply and then OK. If Spatial Sound is already set to off, then select Windows Sonic for headphones instead. Then go to the Enhancements tab, check mark Loudness Equalization and then click on apply and then OK. Now launch Blue Protocol Star Resonance game and check. If you are using Bluetooth headphones, then here follow the steps. Right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray. Select Show Bluetooth Devices, scroll to the bottom and select More Devices and Printer Settings. Right click your headphones and select Properties. Now go to the Services tab and check Hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Click Apply. Now check if it solves your issue or not. Solution 3. Make sure sound levels in-game is set to 100%. Look for audio settings within the Blue Protocol Star Resonance game menu and ensure that volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Further, if you are using headphones, you may like to try using speakers to see if any sounds play. Solution 4. Disconnect additional peripheral devices. Your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals. So disconnect any peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, etc. Solution 5. Set default sound device. Click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then test it for the improvement. So these were some of the solutions that will help you to fix audio or sound issues in Blue Protocol Star Resonance game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.